Materials:
Stop.
60 centimeters lap stand, pendulum bob with 100 centimeters of string attached, stopwatch, black Sharpie, 2 clamps, wooden rod, a ruler, expendable spring, split rubber bung. Lay the pendulum next to the ruler and mark the string with a Sharpie at 18 centimeters. Connect the clamp at the highest top of the stand.
Now you can turn it off.
Looking good. Insert the string in the split bung. Insert the bung into the clamp and secure it with the screw. It's done. Use a meter ruler and measure 55 centimeters mark right at the bottom of the bung. The 0 mark of the meter ruler should align with the center of the sphere. Secure the rod with a clamp and align it at the string marked with a Sharpie. Now the apparatus is completely set up and ready for this experiment. One important note: make sure the center of the sphere is 5 centimeters above the bench. Here is the Sharpie marked close to the rod. I lift the bung to make sure the sphere is 5 centimeters above the bench. Here is my lab partner moving the bob sideways at 5 centimeters away from the rod. And now taking the time the pendulum complete 10 swings.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Now pull the string to reduce the length of the string from 55 to 50 centimeters. After repeating the recording the period when the string is 50, now change to 45 centimeters. Count again and repeat the process for 40, 35, and 30 centimeters. Remember to adjust the height of the rod to align with the string mark every time you shorten the string length.